commencement exercise graduation ng anak ko sa UC Senior High. Pangatlong anak namin ng misis ko si Gina. Nandito kami ngayon dumadalo sa kanyang graduation day. Samahan mo kami guys na manood sa graduation day ng anak ko. Yan ang kanyang stage. Yan ang dumadalo sa mga parents na gumagraduate ang kanilang anak sa senior high.
Watching the dawn unfold and light on the horizon, breathing life through the air till the glow of the sea. Let us build all the world to serve humanity. Let education sow the seed of prosperity. Never-ending conquest to learn, to grow, to sail in this spiral dimension. University of Cebu, University of Cebu.
Ar.
Today marks the 7th commencement rites of the senior high school level in the Basic Education Department of the University of Cebu for the academic year 2023-2024. To formally start, please stand. Associate Campus Director and Dean of the College of Teacher Education. And Attorney Carmelito D. Capiceles, Jr., Legal Counsel. The University President, Ms. Candice Cuchanoy. The University Chairman, Attorney Agosto W. Go. Please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. You may now be seated. Mr. Dexter E. Tevez, Student Development Coordinator, will now open the graduation ceremony. Let us give him a round of applause.
On this 12th day of June in the year of our Lord, 2024, in the presence of our candidates, faculty, parents of the graduates and their friends, the 7th commencement exercises of the senior high school level of the University of Cebu is hereby officially declared in session. To all here present, we extend our most cordial welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Tevez. At this juncture, Dr. Abelardo T. Tejo Jr., Senior High School Principal, will present the candidates for graduation.
The requirements of the Senior High School program as prescribed by the Department of Education and the University of Cebu main campus.
Dr. Rex C. Argate, Associate Campus Affairs Director and Dean of the College of Teacher Education, will now accept the
by virtue of the authority vested in me by University of Cebu and by the Department of Education of the Republic of the Philippines, I accept the candidates presented with all the rights and privileges pertaining thereunto. Congratulations.
Principal will now award the graduates with academic honors. The honorees are as follows: with high honors, with honors. The names of the honorees will be read by Ms. Apple Joy Patay, member of the Senior High School Honors Committee. Kindly reserve the applause until all of the students have received their accolades. Thank you.
Major F. Lagari Charm Lloyd B. Likpao Edsel T. Luna Francis May B. Mabati Donna Jane C. Maspinias Eric L. Charmy Jane R. Olmedo Jamaica B. Orungan Katharina May G. Pagosara John Wayne J. Paragados Paul Justin H. Radin Christian Josh Y. Ranan Vincent Josh A. Ricafort Junior Rojan R. Rio Nicole Angela L. Sabian Sean S. Tinay Zephanie B. Tipon Honey Jane A. Travero Stephanie Wayne R. Viliases Frances John B. And Iconia Grace Alexa. Congratulations.
To the graduates, once again, congratulations. At this point, allow me to call on Anthony and Juliet C. Noquiao with high honors from grade 12 STEM AP to give the words of appreciation in behalf of the graduates. Let us give her a round of applause. To our honored guests, Distinguished Vice Chancellor for Academic Affairs, Dr. Yolanda Saison, esteemed Principal, Dr. Abelardo Quintana Jr., school administrators, respected teachers, hard-working staff, proud family, relatives, and friends, fellow graduates of class 2024.